I know it's been 6 weeks since my last scalp check-in. I can't wait to see how many more hairs are coming out of my head. Are you ready? Let's do this. Hello, my curlies. Erica here from Coils and Curls. Welcome back to another Frizz-Free Friday. We are getting up close and personal into my scalp and all of my little new growth. Without further ado, here's this week's video, my curlies. Let's see if in the center part we have more new growth. Now there are some longer hairs. I do see a lot of new little curls. At this point, after about 3 months, I would have roughly 1.5 inches of new growth. Okay, so first we're doing around the hairline. I noticed a couple of things. One is that my hair strands look thicker and not so wispy. The next thing I noticed is that I think I have more hair. You have to let me know what you think in the comments down below, please. I used the Mielle Organic Scalp and Hair Oil, which is why I look a little greasy. We are moving on to my center part. I think I see more hair in this July 12th photo. Now we are going 1 inch to the left, which is right above my receding hairline. So I know the angles are a little different. I tried to position them so we would be looking at the same areas. Now, my grays aren't allowing all of my hairs to be seen, so take that into consideration. Now we're moving down to my receding hairline. I know some of the photos are a little blurry because it's really hard doing this by yourself, let me tell you. I keep going back and forth between these two pics, and I think my strands are thicker now. If you're enjoying this content today, don't forget to hit that thumbs up down below, and it's free to hit the subscribe button, and it helps me grow and it helps the algorithm for YouTube, so I appreciate it. Because my right side is my lighter side, because of my surgery, I want to see if we have more hair. Wow, look at all that. This is the May photo where I was pointing out all those little hairs. I know that this July photo is a little blurry, but I don't know, I might not be seeing any extra hairs. We'll be able to tell better when I look at it up close and personal. This is one of those comparison pictures that I'm a little off on positioning. My apologies. The last part I want to look at is at my temple. The only real reason that I want to go this low, this is my lighter side, and I want to see if I have more hair growing. It's also hard to know if my scar has filled in any. I think it would have been more helpful if I had been taking photos of the scar and not just thinking about it now. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Tell me, do I have more hair? I hope so. I'm going to keep taking the Nutrafol even though I'm about a month behind, only because I was having some stomach issues, then I had the ehrlichiosis, and I wasn't taking the pills just because I didn't want it to be wasted. I'm putting it nicely. Well, my curlies, this has been another Frizz-Free Friday, and I will see you next week. Ciao for now. And oh my God, please help me. You'll get my commentary because I can't see right now.